Hi, welcome back to the channel where we talk stock investing in simpler terms. Stock investing is not complicated if you understand the basic principles, and most importantly, you are not driven by emotions when you see the movement of stocks. Yes, stocks are volatile, but if you stay patient and consistent, you win at the end. Today, let's talk about a stock that's been quietly rewarding shareholders, P Gold or Pure Gold. And this is a great time to buy, especially if you love dividend stocks like I do. Unlike some loud tickers that go up and down like a roller coaster, P Gold is a steady dividend paying Philippine company that gives you cash while you hold it. Let's break this down from its story to its dividends, growth potential, financial health, risks, valuation, and why I personally love this stock. Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated is one of the Philippines' leading retail and grocery chains, serving everyday consumers and small store owners nationwide. It operates hypermarkets under the Pure Gold name, regular supermarkets like San Roque and Mercado, plus membership warehouses under S&R, and even quick service restaurants at some S&R branches. The company was founded in 1998 and it has grown from regional supermarket into a nationwide staple that Filipinos see every time they shop for food, household supplies, or even essentials for sari-sari stores. What I like about this stock is that consumers buy these things whether the economy is up or down. The weather or the economy cannot prevent this business from moving. That's the kind of business that builds confidence for long-term dividend investors. When I first started studying Philippine dividend stocks, P Gold caught my attention not because it's glamorous, but because it's everywhere people shop and it makes money doing the basic, essential business of retail. That's powerful. Now let's talk dividends because this is where Pure Gold stands out. In 2025, Pure Gold paid two solid dividends, totaling to 1.81 pesos per share, giving yields that range close to 4.9% depending on the price you bought in at. That's huge compared to many Philippine stocks, especially when you consider this is retail. A 5% yield simply for holding is investing at its best. As most dividend investors in the Philippines chase predictable income, Pure Gold doesn't have to guess about dividend treats. It consistently rewards shareholders when earnings are strong and cash flow is healthy. Many stocks pay a little, but Pure Gold pays meaningfully. And right now, with the dividend yield hiking above the market average, I personally see this as a dividend king candidate worth locking in for the long run. Okay, dividends are great, but we always ask, is the business stable? Is it growing? Does it have plans for future expansion? Pure Gold's revenue and net income have been increasing steadily. It continues opening new stores nationwide, including more Pure Gold outlets and S&R membership warehouses year after year. This is not just in the news as we can see all around us. Expansion means more customers, more recurring revenue. Retail business may seem competitive, but Pure Gold is not a small player in the field. It's a brand Filipinos already trust for essential household needs. Plus, it reaches wholesale, sari-sari channels, and membership shopping gives it exposure to different consumer segments. Pure Gold is diversified within retail itself that make its growth prospects less risky and more reliable. Now let's look at the financials of Pure Gold. The company has a strong revenue net profit growth over recent years. Second, it has healthy operating cash flows that help support dividends without eating into capital. And lastly, it has a sensible payout ratio. Pure Gold pays only what it can afford, letting earnings cover dividends comfortably. For income investors, that's reassuring. The company is not a high-risk startup chasing explosive growth. It's a well-established, fundamentally sound business that turns sales into profits and returns cash to their shareholders. As we all know, no stock is perfect. Here are the risks of the business. First, retail competition is intense, especially with discount players emerging. Prices and margins could get squeezed over time. Second, consumer spending power can shift with economic cycles. If inflation hits hard and people tighten budgets, sales growth could slow. Lastly, dividend levels aren't guaranteed. They depend on earnings and board declarations. History is not a promise, but it does provide confidence. I'm a dividend investor, but I always remember dividends are a reward, not a contract. While I love pure gold rewards, I'm also realistic about future challenges. Here's where investors' heart gets even more excited. The stock is not priced like a growth rocket. It is priced like a value stock. At its current valuations, Pure Gold has historically traded at a reasonable PE relative to earnings, not expensive and not overly hyped. That lower valuation, you're not paying high price for the business, and you pair that with a 5% dividend yield, that's value plus income, a good recipe for investing. In today's market, finding companies with sustainable profits plus meaningful dividends plus reasonable valuations are rare, and Pure Gold ticks all those boxes. Based on the March 2026 data, Pure Gold is generally considered undervalued to over 20%, trading with a fair value estimate often exceeding 46 to 48 pesos per share. Strong technical indicators and solid financials, including low debt, support this, suggesting it is a potential value play with significant upside. To wrap it up, Pure Gold is a dividend-rich retailer with a track record of payouts. This company has been giving dividends for 10 years already. It's backed up by solid financials and steady growth in essential retail. And lastly, it trades at sensible valuations with the potential for both income and capital gains. That's the kind of investment that you can be excited about. So if you're watching this and thinking, I want income from my portfolio, I want a stock that rewards me just for holding, I want something grounded in real consumer demand, then I would recommend stocking Pure Gold shares. Whether you're building your first dividend portfolio or adding another income generator, this stock deserves attention. And if you haven't done yet, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss future breakdowns of dividend plays in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Please comment below if you already own Pure Gold. I'd love to hear those thoughts.